You are welcome. Today we are going to deal with everyday Igbo used phrase, frequent words or sentence that we cannot avoid every day. So stick with me. I'm gonna run through a lot of them, and definitely some of them will be easy for you to catch up with. Let's do it together. Thank you. And this channel, in case if you have not subscribed, please do that. We are just new and we want to dedicate this channel only for Igbo class. See, so that would be wonderful if you subscribe, and let's do it together. Now we start with the common ones that I know. Ndewo. Ndewo means hello. Ndewo. When someone calls you or knocks at the door, onye na-ekwu, who is speaking? Onye na-ekwu, who is speaking? Another one, Ibolachi. Ibolachi. Ifolachi. All of them goes to good morning. Good morning. Ifolachi or Ibolachi. Isalachi. They are all related. They are all our dialects. Kachifu. When you are about to go to the bed, and then you say Kachifu, then the person will respond Kaobo. That means when you say to someone Kachifu, the person will now respond you something like Kaobo, means sleep well. Okay, let morning come, or until tomorrow. Another one is Kedu. Kedu is how are you? Kedu kime, or Kedu kimere, or Kedu kimelo. How are you doing? So these are all kind of common greetings that you cannot avoid. Kedu kimere, or Kedu kime. Kekwanu. Kekwanu kime. How are you? How is it? So in response, you will now say Odimma. Odimma, meaning I'm fine. It is well. It is wonderful. It's good. Odimma. If someone comes to your house, you say no. Or if you want to greet someone, you say no, meaning welcome. Kedu ahagi. What is your name? Kedu ahagi. Or Kedu afagi. What is your name? Kedu afagi. All of them are our dialects. Kedu afagi, Kedu ahagi, Gini bu afagi. All of them stands for what is your name. Abum. My name is, or ahambo. Aham or afambo. Afambo. Ahambo. My name is. Like me now, I answer Ekene. Afambo Ekene. Onye ebe kibo. Onye ebe kibo. Where are you from? Onye ebe kibo. Where are you from? Then you respond, Abum onye Enugu State. Abum onye Enugu State. If you're from Enugu State, you say, I am from Enugu State. Ka omesia. Ka omesia, meaning goodbye. Till next time. Kodi mbosiozo. Kodi, bye bye. Ya gaziere gi taa. Ya gaziere gi taa, meaning have a nice day. Ya gaziere gi taa. Have a nice day. Ya dịrị gị mma taa. Ya gaziere gị taa. Have a wonderful day. It's just a greeting, you know. When you translate it well, you will say, may it be well with you today. Aghọtara m. I understand. If someone is saying something or teaching something and the person might ask you, Iwatara, and then you will now respond, Aghọtara m. You know. Then if you don't understand, you will say, Aghọtaghị m, meaning I don't understand. Next, Daalụ. Thank you. Thank you is Daalụ, but when you want to do exaggerate it, Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. Imeela means thank you. They are all Imeela. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ. Next is Biko. If you are begging for something, Biko, please. Biko. Next, Biko iwe wenagi. Biko iwe wenagi. I'm sorry. Don't be angry. Biko iwe wenagi. I'm sorry. Don't be angry. If you offend someone, this is very important for us to know how to use them. And next is A. Some people think we just say no or no. We have A ye for yes. And if you want to say no, you say mba. Mba. It means no. Biko nyem. Biko nyem. Please give me. Biko kambiakwa. Kambiakwa means I'm coming. Excuse me, I'm coming. Biko kwuoye ọzọ. Biko kwuoye ọzọ or kwuoya ọzọ. Please say it again. Pardon. Repeat what you have just said. Biko kuziere m Igbo. Biko kuziere m Igbo. Please teach me Igbo. Please teach me Igbo. Biko kuziere m Igbo. Achọrọ m ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. Achọrọ m ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. Meaning, I want to speak Igbo language. Kedu ụzọ esi eje ahịa? Kedu ụzọ esi eje ahịa? Which way or what is the way to the market? Or which way goes to the market? Kedu ka m ga-esi je ụlọ akwụkwọ? Kedu ka m ga-esi je ụlọ akwụkwọ? How do I get to the school? You know, by car or by by foot. How do I get there? Ebee ka ibi? Ebee ka ibi? Meaning, where do you live? Where do you live? Biko detue ya. Biko detue ya. Biko dee ya n'akwụkwọ or biko detue ya. Meaning, please write it down. Write it on the paper. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Gịnị bụ ihe a? Question mark. What is this? Gịnị bụ ihe a? Next is gịnị na-akụ? Gịnị na-akụ? What is time? Gịnị na-akụ? Ka anyị laa. Ka anyị laa. Meaning, let's go home or let's go. Kanyela, it will always be referred to going home. Agụụ na-agụ m, I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ m, I am hungry. Agụụ mmiri na-agụ m, I am thirsty. Nri, next is nri na-amasị m. Nri na-amasị m, meaning I like food. Next, gịnị ka anyị ga-eri? Gịnị ka anyị ga-eri? It means, what are we gonna eat? What are we going to eat? Gịnị ka anyị ga-eri? Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Like I said before, I am thirsty. If you want to drink water or just to drink soft drink, I'm thirsty. You are just, my throat is dried. My throat is dry. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. That means my throat is dry. So you are thirsty. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ihe ọṅụṅụ. I want something drinkable. Achọrọ m ihe ọṅụṅụ. Or achọrọ m ife ọṅụṅụ. Please give me some water. Meaning, biko nye m mmiri. Biko nye m mmiri. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. No, biko nye m mmiri, or biko nye m ife ọṅụṅụ. Ụra na-atụ m. Ụra na-atụ m. I am sleepy. I am dizzy. I want to sleep. I'm tired. Ike agwụgo m. Ike agwụgo m. I am tired. You know, when you want to say start, say bido. Oya bido. Now, if you want to say stop, then you say kwụsị. Kwụsị. Kwụsị n'ebe a. Stop here. Kwụsị kịta means stop now. Emechala m, or emechago m, meaning I have finished. I have finished. Emechala m, or emechago m, meaning I'm through. I'm finished. So let it be for the day, and let me give you just short bonus. Onye na-akpọ m. Onye na-akpọ m. Onye na-akpọ m means who is calling me. Who is calling me? Onye na-akpọ m. But if you want to respond to such, you say ọ mụ na-akpọ gị. Ọ mụ na-akpọ gị. Meaning I'm the one calling you. Ọ mụ na-akpọ gị. I am the one calling you. This is the last bonus. And I don't want to take it too long. I will keep on repeating. Though I'm sorry I did not write it all out. But if you play it and play it, that will be even good, so that you will learn by hearing. See you in my next video, and remain blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ. Bye.